Good evening, sirs.
Good evening.
Sir, please, may you introduce yourself?
My name is Eze Uche Asidimba, Okpotemba of Ibere, Eze Ndigbo, Ikeja. I'm the BOT chairman, Ndigbo Title Holders Association.
Okay, sir, we see a lot of dignitaries, a lot of Ezes, first-class Ezes, Igbo Ezes here today. Why are you people here today, sir?
Today is a great day. We lost a giant, and Iroko has fallen. Our leader, the BOT chairman of Ndigbo worldwide, Ndigbo knows each worldwide, and Eze Ndigbo of Lagos State, Eze Nwabeze, Azulike, OON. That is why we are here. He is the chairman of Ndigbo worldwide, and we lost him. Today is the night of tribute, where people will gather to say what they know about him. We all know that Eze Azulike means different things to different people. From the area I will talk, may not be from the area another person will talk. But if you look at him all roundly, you know he's a strong traditionalist. He believes in Igbo tradition and culture. He practiced it, he promoted it in Lagos and all over, wherever he goes. He is a custodian of Igbo tradition in Lagos. Culturally, he's everywhere. He promoted the Iriji festival in the diaspora. He promoted traditional dances, masquerades in the diaspora. He moved it from the Igbo hinterland to the outside world. And those of us who are members of Ndigbo knows traditional title holders outside Igbo land and in Igbo land, we are always with him trying to promote this culture. Now that we have lost him, we will not allow the tradition and culture of Ndigbo in the diaspora to die. That is why we are here, to lend our voice, to give the support, to let people know, Ndigbo, that the death of our Azulike is not the end of Igbo tradition and culture outside Igbo land. That those of us who are his lieutenants will carry on. We will take it to higher than where he left it. We are here to encourage his immediate family to take heart, because death is a necessary end. In this life where we are, nobody can get out of this place alive. It's turn by turn. We will all die. But anyone that goes first, we will bid him farewell. We go there and also defend us until we meet to pass no more.
Okay,
so all the dignitaries are saying today is in support, in solidarity of the life that he has lived. What he has given to Ndigbo and the world in general. That is why you are seeing many people who have come here to lend their voice and to console the immediate family.
So from the way you are speaking, it appears the Ezes are pained over the death of this Iroko tree today. That all the Ezes are pained. It is very painful.
That's what I'm saying. Everybody is pained. We never thought that he would leave us by now. At 77, while he was there, he always tell us that he will depart this world at the age of 120. But you, man can say, God knows the best. That is why you are seeing everybody is pained. We never knew that it would just end this way. But God knows the best.
Okay, sir. So I see Besides you are prominent Ezes, let me speak to them and know, sir. Please introduce yourself, sir.
Eze Gerard Onuchukwu, Onwa of Amafo, and Onwa Ndigbo, Oru West, Imo State, and Onwa Eze Ndigbo, Etiosa local government, Lagos State.
All right, sir. So how can you assess the time of the late Eze Azirike?